Hey guys, welcome back to Record-ology. This is Record-ology Deluxe, our big weekend show. Now, before we get into today's show, I want to invite you to stay tuned to the end because I've got a really cool surprise that involves you. So don't miss out. Now, in the meantime, let's get into the show. Our friends at Hudson HiFi sent us a box. Let's see what's in it, you guys. But before we do that, I want to introduce you to a friend of mine. This is Bob Ross the turtle. Okay, here he is. This is Bob Ross, the Russian tortoise. And he's about 15 years old. And he's got a pretty big tank, kind of aquarium thing going on. And he's got a big cave in there. And he's got some cool water features. And it's kind of filled with like these wheat pellets, which he seems to really like. He eats dry tortoise food. He's a really good boy. He likes to explore. But for some reason, when he's out of his cage, he likes to do this. And I know some animals feel like they're falling, so you have to support them. But even if you touch his feet, he still likes to swim. So it looks like he's swimming through the air. But he's a super good boy. We actually inherited him recently. Our son rescued him and from a friend of his. And we were able to take him in even after our son lost interest. So he became part of the menagerie, and he's a really good boy. So you guys voted for him. Had a poll out today where you could vote for what animal to feature on the show. And it was between Kiki the dog, who you've seen, and Yoshi the bird, who you've seen and often hear. But making his debut appearance on Record-ology, here is Bob Ross, the turtle. Okay guys, down to business. Here is the box, and let's see what's inside it. Okay, rotating it around, and awesome, something packed in styrofoam, so that's good. Screws, wonder what that's about. Okay, big styrofoam, it's hollow, so solid brick, there's no opening. Aha! So, the product itself is around the outside of the box. So some sort of storage here. Let me pull the box out of it now. Metal, it's heavy. And let's see here. Hudson HiFi. I love that name, by the way. Hudson HiFi, that's awesome. So check that out. It's a record storage shelf, which is really, really cool. I wonder if it can be like floor mount, because it looks like it's wall mounted as well with these screws. So yeah, that's super cool. And then they give you this little card, and in the card on the back here it's got, let me zoom so you guys can see this, it's got info on how you can help become a tester, which is super cool. Check that out. These guys do a really good job. They take a lot of pride in their stuff, and I know they design their products in the US, and I think they build them here as well. So let's go ahead and give this a once over. So yeah, it's a heavy piece of metal. I saw these on their website, and I believe they come in white and black as well, which is super cool. It's like a powder coated metal. Let me get a close shot of the metal so you can see the quality there. I mean, it's not just like cheap metal. This is a actual quality piece of powder coated metal, which is super cool. And in terms of the functionality, I mean, it looks like it would work as a tabletop stand, and then obviously, you know, with these mounts, you can attach it to a wall. Let's look at the paperwork here. So yeah, it looks like it stores up to 25 records. And I'm going to go ahead and load it up as a table mounted stand here and see how it works. Okay guys, I don't see any reason why, you know, you couldn't use this as a tabletop stand if you didn't want to use it as a wall mount. So I'm just going to start picking some records here, and who knows what we'll find here, you guys. This is in my small portable case. So I'm just going to load it up here. It says 25 records, so there's 2, 3. It says another peek at the Record-ology vaults, and here we go. There's 3 records. Okay, you got Cinderella in there. Check this out, Gene Krupa and Buddy Rich, The Drum Battle. It's a pretty dirty record, but it's still cool. More Glenn Miller. You guys are gonna think that's like all I own. Mary Poppins, I think we did a show on that one. 3 tenors, that's a double vinyl set. This is cool, we did a show about this a long time ago. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. It's like a story. It's really cool, with some music from the movie. Placido Domingo. This is not fair, you guys are just getting a peek behind the scenes, some of my opera stuff. Picked these up in a used bookstore. And yeah, let's keep going here. I don't think I'm anywhere near 25 yet. From a weight standpoint, if you're wall mounting it, I can see how you need to be careful, but it's really heavy and durable. So I think that floor wise or table mounted wise, you could probably just put as many in there as you could fit. But let's see what 25 looks like. Those fit in there perfectly. This is really cool. I like this. I think this makes a nice little stand, and since it's vertical, as records should be stored, it doesn't, you know, it doesn't take up hardly any space at all. Which is cool. All right, let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. About 20 in there so far. Put a few more in here. Now, as you know, vinyl's pretty heavy stuff. That's an awesome album we need to review one of these days. Vinyl is heavy. So okay, that's about 25. I mean, picking this up right now, I can tell you, this is hefty. I mean, you would have to be drilled into studs on the back there, I would really think. I mean, I'd be afraid to, you certainly couldn't drill this just like into drywall and have it hold. I mean, that'd have to be into wood. I mean, this is heavy when it gets like this. But, you know, table mounted wise, that's awesome. I love that. We'll put that in the record room or the vinyl room / office / music room, whatever. And that'll be great. A great way to store that stuff. So anyway, there you go, guys. What do they call this thing? It's the vinyl record display from Hudson HiFi. So I hope you thought that was interesting. If you want one of these, click on the link below. You can buy one, or you can just go to their website, hudsonhifi.com. They got a lot of cool toys, a lot of cool stuff. They really specialize in the accessories for vinyl collecting, so they've got some really cool stuff over there. So definitely check that out. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you something super, super cool, and it actually isn't anything here. This is my edit suite / office / record room. But what I wanted to show you guys was a new feature that we're going to be doing called the comment of the week. And what it is I'm going to highlight my favorite comment of the week. And this week's favorite comment is from Charlotte, who just says, "Nerds," which made my wife laugh very hard, and me too, because that's funny and it's true. So, I mean, we're reviewing a record shelf, people. We are nerds. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for this week. Thank you so much as always. Don't forget to check out Hudson HiFi's website. I'm going to put it down here and in the description so you can buy one of those cool shelves as well. Now, don't forget to stay tuned for our midweek show, and then also we're going to do a poll and have some other fun stuff going on this week, so you're not going to want to miss it. I've got a super cool idea for this Wednesday show, so don't miss that. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. But most importantly, guys, thank you so much for being there. Happy record hunting. See you next time.
Well, Bob is dropping bombs like this is Guernica. Served 20 years. Air Force. United States of America. My technique will make your mistress weak. Put her to sleep. Elbow drop a drink. I go deep.
Thank you for watching Record-ology. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a single thing.
I am the Edison phonograph. The more you become acquainted with me, the better you will like me. Ask the dealer.